Okay, good morning. I hope the lighting's okay, guys. And I want to know in this video, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready to fire up your Cash App extractor? Okay, because we're getting ready to hit the ground running, guys. Okay, now, one of the best ways to help other people, or even to help yourself, right, make money working from home is by showing other people how to make money working from home, right? And Cash App is an incredible way to do it. Everybody, when we did the statistics over there, you guys know the statistics. Thousands upon thousands of people have Cash App. It's easy to transact through Cash App. So in this last video, inside of your delivery, I want to talk to you guys about thinking, right, like an entrepreneur or like an individual who truly wants to help other people make money working from home. Because when you can show enough people how to get the things that it is that they want in life, you can truly get the things that it is you want in life. Guys, I'm going to pull up a real quick testimonial from not my first customer, but one of the very first people who bought or purchased the Cash In with Cash App extractor from me. And it's from Sue. And I want to thank you, Sue, by the way. And she says, "Thank you. I have never had anyone in 3 years to help me as much as you have already. And you're helping Sam." Sam actually is a guy who actually purchased the Cash App extractor from her in less than 1 hour after she purchased it from me. And the beat will continue to go on. Anyway, she goes on to say there's a special place for me, or for me, for you, which is me, in heaven. God sees the good in you. I really appreciate you. And that's just us doing the next best thing in terms of helping other people get to what it is they want. And so, guys, up until now, we talked about the cashing in with Cash App phone system. And I talked to you guys about how to set everything up. And so you should be ready to go now, guys. Okay, so what I've done, guys, is I placed a new, or bonus lead capture page in for you guys. And I also placed some images in. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the images because I'm going to show you guys how you can use these images in places like Leads-Lead. And if you're not familiar with Leads-Lead, well, if you're a part of this funnel system, you have to be. And if you're not, you need to be. Okay, so you can advertise inside of Leads-Lead using these banners that I've actually just thrown in. Secondly, if you're a Facebook person, guys, let me enlarge my screen a little bit. If you are a Facebook person, then you could also use this particular image in Facebook. You can just, the way you would save it, you right click on the image, get on the image and right click. And when you right click, well, it's going to take us over. I got to be careful because I got it linked. I'll show you that page in a second, guys. But anyway, I got the instructions for how you actually, copy these pages. Very, very simple to do, right? So look, these pages, I got one going to the new lead capture page. That's the other bonus lead capture page I've just thrown inside of the delivery. And of course, guys, here is the actual updated version of the actual bridge page, right? But they're both completely ready to go. Of course, I trimmed them down and I fired them up, and they're gonna work just fine, right? And you'll find them in the video just above, along with the share codes. But you can use an image like this on Facebook. Just right click the image, save the image. I can't right click it because I got it linked. If I right click it, it'll take me. Oh, there it goes. I right click, right? And come up here, and I want you to save the image as right here. Just click save image as. And when that happens, your computer will open up. You come down to your pictures and name it. Name it your Facebook image if you want to, right? Because you can copy, once you have it saved on your computer, and I'm just going to, I would save it, but I can't get below that. No, I'm going to save it, and it's just saved over here on the right. Because once you save that image, now you can take that image and you can paste it on Facebook, and you can have people actually click. I wouldn't put a link in Facebook, but you could have them actually message you for all the startup details. And when they actually respond, you can just send them a copy of either your lead capture page if you're a list builder, and or your thank you bridge page, if you just want to send them to that page. But when you do, they'll end up on this particular page, and this is where they will pay you the $10. And of course, naturally, guys, you will be able to collect those payments. Now, the other place you can, I gave you these images for, guys, is Leads-Lead. Because in Leads-Lead, you can also run these images, and there they both are those are those images. Let me see, can I just go back one? Those are those images, and this I'm actually running ads inside of Leads Leap as well. And so when you do that, this is what they'll look like. And of course, naturally, when people click them, it will take them over to either your lead capture page, if that's what you're promoting inside of Leads Leap, or it will take them. Let me see if we can get back. It will take them to the actual. And I'm recording, so it won't let me go back. But you know, that's how those images work. Let me go back to Facebook. Okay, I mean, I keep saying Facebook. I guess because of the images. Anyway, same thing with this one, guys. Okay, so that's how they work, and I've shown you guys how to actually advertise with banners inside of Leads Leap. So you know, if you guys don't remember, go back to the training. But you know, you just set these banners up. You put a caption in here, and you'll redirect your banners to wherever it is you want them to go from the link that you set up inside of the ad inside of Leads Leap. Right? If that makes sense, right, guys? So you have these images now, and so now you have everything that you actually need to fire up your Cash App extractor. And do this, guys, right? I know I send my son, well, not lately, but you know, it's nothing for my sons. You know, my daughter never Cash App. Yes, she won't do Cash App. But my sons, I have Cash App them different times, or if I'm, you know, it's easy to do. Now you can help your family members. You can help other people set up their own little Cash App funnel system, right? Because it's jam packed full of more, even more affiliate offers that will actually enable them to make money. And so what I've done, guys, all the share codes are on the page. You guys know that. And at the bottom of this page is the link to this page. And this is, of course, it is your delivery page, right? This is the page you send to others when they join under you. And I also have the share code for this page so that you can edit the entire funnel system out to speak to any affiliate offers that you want, right? Remember, guys, we're simply driving people into a lead capture page, and that lead capture page is taking them over to an actual bridge thank you page with your Cash App actually embedded in the link here. We go over that in the instruction, and you're providing real value. You know, if you look just down below, you'll see all of what our potential customers will be receiving when they actually Cash App us $10. And so obviously there are multiple income streams built into the funnel. You can take the funnel, you can replicate the funnel, duplicate the funnel to do your particular affiliate offers, whatever they are. It's a great way to build a highly responsive email subscribers list and a Cash App buyers list as well. So I want to thank you and let you guys know that everything that you need is below. I really look forward to firing up the Cash App extractor for real. I haven't sitting on any real traffic, but I'm starting to. And so I think this is going to be a great experience for all of us. It's a great way to build out your affiliate marketing arsenal. And it's also a part of the digital 9-to-5 exit strategy library, which will I'll be doing the videos for that, and they'll be coming along, and then you guys get to see, you know, how we dance, guys, okay, and how we do this thing. So thanks so much for sitting in. I appreciate you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.